Hi, welcome to the demo video by RouteMagic. In this video, we will take you through RouteMagic's recipes and production vouchers capabilities. Recipes allow you to play around your line of products, create a basket of different products, and sell it as a new product. Easily define and execute recipes, which result in inventory changes, enhanced warehouse management. For same, go to Inventory Management, click on Recipes. Clicking on it shows the summary list table of all previously created recipes. Click on Add to create a new recipe product. The recipe will have a name, description, inputs and outputs. Recipe name. You can call it as new product name. Description. It will help you understand your product better for reference in future. Recipe items. It will have items as input and output. It needs to have one input and one output compulsory to be able to save and create new. Point to note: input and output items should be already present in your product list. In case the output is not in your product list, create one with specification in product management. Now you will be able to execute a recipe from the three-dot menu under Actions. Click on Execute Recipe. It will open a pop-up where you will be able to see the details of the products in the recipe. The warehouse that is getting affected will be auto-populated, but that can be changed as well, and enter the value in number of executions. Upon selecting the warehouse name, it will adjust the quantity of appropriate inputs. Inputs which are included in the recipe will decrease. The outputs will increase for selected warehouse. If there are not enough inputs, it throws a warning that the process could not be executed because of insufficient inventory of. You can take corrective measures like adding inventory first. Recipe input item shows the quantity used of the input items, its default price per item, and the total. You can edit the quantity and the price for this recipe as well. Recipe output items unit cost is calculated as total cost of the input items. You can add the overhead cost, if any. Then the total cost will be unit cost plus overhead cost. If the update product cost checkbox is enabled, it goes ahead and updates the product costs for all the inputs and the output. In Inventory Ledger, you can check the stock movement due to recipe creation by using a filter of Operation. And Operation Details has recipe reference with a hyperlink. On clicking the hyperlink, it redirects to View Recipe. RouteMagic even generates reports which can be viewed under Recipe Execution Report, which shows the time, date, user, recipe, warehouse, and number of executions. Let's now talk about the production vouchers. A company might need to buy inventory or raw materials from suppliers that are used in the production of the company's goods. Unlike recipes, the output item can be multiple in this. To create a new production voucher, click on Add. Give name, the description of it, warehouse of which the stock should get affected. Input items can be single or multiple. Add the product, its quantity, rate at which business bought this product from their suppliers, and amount will be quantity multiplied by rate. Totals will be auto-populated. Output items, the final product getting created from the input items, can be single and multiple. Give the quantity, rate, amount, overhead cost, if any. Production vouchers have to be created every time some product needs to be created. The same voucher cannot be executed multiple times like recipes.